So guys, today we are making this Arabic style keema. So for this we took all these ingredients you are seeing. So this we took chopped onion, chopped tomato, all whole spices, bay leaves, cloves, and this green chili chopped, salt, oil, Kashmiri minch little, this cumin powder, turmeric, then this minced meat, and this coriander powder, and this potato and peas. So all these ingredients we took to make this our recipe. So please see this video till last, and if you didn't subscribe till now our channel, so please subscribe also. You will get like this informative video also. So let's start one step by step. I will show you how you will cook these all items. So please see this video till last. To make now beef keema, I already put oil to heat. When this will heat, I will put this all ingredient. So first have to heat oil, then we will put these all items. So now our oil already heated, so I put now this onion. So I already put it onion, all whole spices and green chili also, and have to cook till golden brown. Okay. Onion already golden brown little bit now, so I put now ginger garlic paste. See, so I put now ginger garlic paste also in it. See, so mix well, then we will eat keema in it. Okay. So our onion already golden brown now, so I put now this beef, minced beef, so and will saute this onion with this, so mix well this beef, okay, so that this texture will come good. Okay. So I cooked already this beef very well with onion and ginger garlic paste. Now I already mix all these spices, you seeing this, so I will add this in this mixture. Okay. So we will put in this, okay, and we'll cook well. See, so mix well, and this texture will be good. Okay. I put chopped tomato also, see, and we'll cook well this. Okay. You can cook in another pan also, but I put in it. Okay. So this have to little bit have to cook more. Then we will put another item also one by one. Okay. So now I put this green peas also in it. I added this green peas also in it, and then I put this potato also. Okay. So have to cook well, then this texture will be good. So now I put this potato also. See, so now I put this and have to check little seasoning, then cook till maybe 10 minutes. So this will be ready. So I put little water also in it, then we have to cook. Okay. So now I put little water also and check little this seasoning also, and have to put till 10 minutes. We will see this is cooked. Okay. So after 10 minutes I am seeing now my keema. So maybe our keema ready. So I have to check. Okay. See the taste and also color. See. So our keema almost ready. We have to serve now. I already put this green coriander also. See, so little bit juicy should be like this. Okay. So our keema almost ready. So now we have to serve with bread or whatever rice. So we can serve. Okay. You check first this one, and I put this. Okay. So our keema is ready to serve. So we will garnish with a little bit green coriander. See, and now with this will serve with bread or rice, whatever we can eat. Okay. So this is ready to eat now.